was inspired to do this shoulder holster rig from some pictures I saved to Instagram. The one that really inspired me was one that I saw Leon the Professional action figure from Hot Toys, I think. This one right here. I really like the look of this. I thought I could create something of my own. I started with a vest pattern and cut it down to shape, and then used some paper to create a pattern that I would make the outfit out of, or the shoulder holster rig out of, carrying his 2 guns, a knife, and his flashlight. I cut that out of paper and then traced it to leather and cut the leather out and started stitching it together. I moved the shoulder holsters a little bit to the front to give him some room to wear a jacket with no problem. I created a belt buckle and a belt, and then used that around the waist. I created my own little belt buckles for the scabbard and for the holder for his flashlight. Once complete, it turned out really nice, and with his vest on, the shoulder holsters don't get in the way. I really like the way this outfit turned out in the shoulder holster rig. That started out as a vest. I thought that was a good path to take to make this shoulder holster rig. These 2 pistols are very cool. I think they're Desert Eagle. I'm not sure if somebody could wield a Desert Eagle, or dual wield a Desert Eagle, but this is fictional. The chest rig has a buckle up towards the front, and I think it really helps pull the outfit together. The knife scabbard, I used 2 straps on the leg instead of with the previous one having only 1 strap, and it turned out really nice. Holds his knife really still, although the knife was kind of a tight fit. Overall, I think it turned out really nice. I really enjoyed this project. It was finally nice to do a full project like this. Instead of having his flashlight hang on to the side, I did make a little holder for it, and this flashlight is in a previous video. He also has his goggles and his climbing gear. I didn't need any straps to hold the guns in. They hold in there pretty still with friction. I think it turned out pretty cool. I'm kind of on the fence whether I want to dye this leather black or leave it this color, or maybe even a darker brown. Probably one of my favorite belt buckles that I've created also. I'll probably do a video on it soon. I could still use his belt as a climbing rig, which I think is pretty cool, since that's part of his character. With his vest and hat, I think it turned out really nice. I was originally going to make a hat that matches this his rig, but I think I really like this black hat. Thanks for watching, and thanks for checking it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.